Alright guys, welcome back to G1 Gaming. I'm going to be showing y'all where the there ain't nothing out here. Where the helicopters spawn in GTA 5 single player. There might not be any out here, but at least you'll know where it is. Well, this is supposed to be it. Sometimes there won't be any, but sometimes there will be. And right here. If you hadn't already bought these properties, then you simply look for right here, and it's right there. Right there. Okay, y'all got it? Okay. And usually there'll be a helicopter out here or something. But, since there isn't. Sucker! Oh, I ain't got no ammo for that. I shouldn't have done that. Well guys, is that a person? I'm a very bad shot and no I didn't. Okay, well until next time guys, I will see y'all when I see y'all. What was this? Sticking up. Sucker! That bitch. Oh, run, oh. Have that one too. Alright. Hey, I'm alive.